Hi friends, I'm Ben from TeacherTechAcademy.com. Just today I was actually speaking to one of my colleagues, and she said that she loves to use YouTube videos in her elementary classroom, but all too often she has a pop-up ad come on, and she said it's really embarrassing when an ad pops up for something like Smirnoff vodka, and she has to try and hurry and run to her computer to mute the sound so that the kids aren't hearing about this inappropriate ad. And you know what? This is something that happens to a lot of us. So today, we're going to take a look at a tool that can help you avoid that type of an issue. Stay tuned. Alright guys, today the tool that we're looking at is called Watchkin. This tool is excellent for a couple of different things. One, it gets rid of all of those pop-up ads and the ads at the beginning of YouTube videos that you're used to seeing. And then it also will tell you if will filter out, YouTube videos that have inappropriate content in them. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is Watchkin. You can find Watchkin at watchkin.com, and I'll put a link in the description of this video or in the blog post. Basically, when you go here, you have a couple of different options. You can paste a YouTube URL or search for videos. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to do a quick search in YouTube for how to make slime. Okay, and we come up with a few different things. Now notice at the very top video here is an ad. Okay, and then we have a couple of others. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one, and you'll notice that as soon as it starts, there's an ad at the beginning. We're all familiar with these, where we have to wait, and then you can click on it after a few seconds, right? So here's what we can do. We can actually take this URL, so we could copy and paste this. You can find it there, or you can find it down here in the share column where it has the shortened URL there. And then you take it back into Watchkin, and you're going to paste it in there. So right click and paste, and then you do a quick search, and that video is actually going to pop right up here for us, ready to go. And notice it jumps right in. There's no ad in there, and you know that's a fantastic thing. There's no sidebar. There's none of this other stuff going on. Okay, we do still have some of the information down below. If we look, whoops. Just need to kind of scroll down here. I don't know what's going on. There we go. We can scroll down and we can see some more information about this video, right? So it's all still there, and the video is still available to go into full screen. Easy, good. Okay, so this tool is going to be fantastic for your classrooms. There's no question about that. All right, now the other neat thing is you can actually search for those videos directly from the Watchkin webpage. So notice again that when we were searching here, the top video was an ad. Okay, when we search that same phrase, how to make slime, you're going to notice that the very top video that pops up is the one that we watched there because it's the most appropriate. So we have the appropriate, inappropriate pieces there, and then it takes out all the ads. So that's really helpful. Okay, so same thing, we can click on it, and it's going to start our video with no ad. Okay, wonderful. Now, on the Watchkin website, on the main page here, it goes into how you can make your life with Watchkin just a little bit easier. You can Watchkinize anything. So this is a bookmarklet that you can instantly be taken to watch your YouTube video on the Watchkin platform. You basically you're going to drag and drop this into your bookmarks section. I don't have my bookmarks showing on here. You'd see it pop up there. Okay. So now the other option is you can actually set it up to where it's going to auto redirect for you, and this is what I would suggest, at least on your school laptop or desktop or whatever you use at school. Okay. Now this is for desktop browsers only, but you can click on this little link here. Again, we're about halfway down on the main page under the Make It Easier tab in the new Auto Direct script. So we're going to click here to learn how to install, and it's really simple. Depending on your type of browser, I'm using a Chrome browser, so I'm just going to quickly click on this extension. It's going to ask if it can can add this to Chrome. I'm going to go ahead and add it to Chrome. Okay, add extension. It's going to ask me probably to restart Chrome here to make sure that it's going to work. Or maybe not. Okay, fantastic. It was installed successfully. All right, so now we can just kind of go back to where we were at here, and we're simply going to scroll down to the next step, install auto redirect script, and we install that. Okay, so now that we've installed the script, we should be able to go to our YouTube page where we had how to make slime, and we're going to do a quick refresh of that page. And then if we run the exact same search, once it loads here, how to make slime, in theory, it should go ahead and take us to a watchkinized page of this. Now, I've noticed that from time to time, it's not super consistent on whether it will take you there or not. So right now, it didn't take me there. But if I hit refresh, let's see if it takes us there. Now it takes me there. So you notice that it's a little sporadic, and that just may be because we're redirecting a page or whatever's happening. But what has happened now is we've gotten those same results that we had earlier without really having to do too much, and we didn't have to go directly to Watchkin to do that. So again, same how to make slime for beginners video that popped up, and again we're going to watch it without ads, which is fantastic. Okay, no ads popping up, nothing inappropriate that's going to pop up in your classroom. Okay, if you have any questions on on how to set this up, feel free to let me know. You can contact me. Again, my name is Ben, and I'm from teachertechacademy.com. Check me out on YouTube, and if you would, please make sure that you subscribe and like this video. All right, have a great day.